Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned member of the 202 crew. And you know how things get going around this channel. So we are talking about one of the most classic, I guess, luxury items slash bags. And that is the Chanel wallet on chain in the caviar leather. So we're going to talk about this today, pros, cons, how to wear, all that interesting stuff. Guys, before I get into it, if you haven't already subscribed, I'm gonna need you to subscribe. Okay, click the red button, turn on the notification bell. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. So, the classic Chanel wallet on chain. This bag is great for so many uses, okay? Firstly, obviously, as your little going out bag, right? I think that's what most people use it for. Most people use it for going out or crossbody when you're on holiday, okay? You don't need very much stuff with you. You just want the essentials. Ring-a-ding-ding, she's here. So, let me just talk to you about this one. So mine is in the black caviar leather. So the caviar leather is this like grainy kind of grain. It has a like little slip pouch on the back. Ooh, what do we have in here? Essex event tire. I went to Essex one time. Mine also has the gold hardware. It is available in silver hardware and it's available not in the caviar leather, in the normal lambskin. Differences are, caviar leather is more hard wearing, okay? It's not going to scratch as easily. You can bash it about. Not that you'd ever want to bash about your Chanel, but if push came to shove. Yeah, the lambskin is going to scratch so much more easily because it's soft. This is basically, if I were to compare, the caviar leather is the Lara Croft and the lambskin is your Elwoods. Get it? They have like just a little pop fixture, okay? That's the closing. They also have this little zip pocket at the top, which is the entire length of the bag, okay? So like my hands at the bottom here. And this is where I have put the authenticity card. But yeah, so you have that strange pocket at the back that I'm really not sure what you would put in there, but whatever. You got a little Chanel stamp here. Then we get into the fun stuff. So, why is it called a wallet on chain, ladies and gentlemen? The clue is in the name. We have all the card, what's it called, little card holder slices. You got all little card holder places there. You've got there are 6 places for you to put your cards. Then there's the main sort of hole for you to put other stuff. And then you have one little pouch here, which I have receipts and whatnot. Then you have another zip pouch, and then another pouch in front of that. So you have 3 little pouches, the hole, the card places, this little slip at the back here, and this one at the back. None of what I said made sense, but I feel like if you were following where I was touching, it made sense. I don't know why you're here. It is great because you don't need to put another wallet or whatever, or just have your cards flying around in your bag that you're going out with, or you're in a city and you want to do crossbody, or if you're just like, you know what? Today I'm going to part with my hoarder self and we're going to make some changes, and I'm only going to go out with the stuff that I really need, which, let's be honest, is the money, the cards, your keys and your phone, all of which fit into this little bad girl here. The chain is pretty long, so when she is cross-bodied she hits pretty low. So she's down here at the top of the thigh, again though, very wearable length. But what we can do is, if we decide that we don't want a crossbody, then you just double her up. Okay, let me see if I can demonstrate this. So then you just, hold on. So you twist and then you put that bit through. There we go. And then swang in from the arm. She's cute, she's chic, you know, on the shoulder. We've got an on the shoulder look, okay? Very versatile, very cute, just, I think everybody should have a wallet on chain because they come in handy so much. They are a great classic evening bag, okay? The other thing is that like right at the beginning, in case you wanted to just make her a clutch, hello. Put all the chain inside. Oh, thank you very much. I'm on my way, collecting my award, walking the red carpet, going to meet my sugar daddy for my latest instalment of cash. Whatever you may be doing or going, I don't judge over here. Yeah, so basically, literally just on the way that you can hide, fold, twist the chain, means that you can wear her in so many different ways. There we go, there really aren't any downsides. She's super light. I've had this bag for ages and she is still in amazing condition. I've worn her like on holiday, I've worn her on nights out, everything else, and she has just kept up. I don't know if it's the fact that I got the grain, the caviar leather. I really think it is. I would highly recommend. Loads of other brands do wallets on chains too. Gucci does them, Dior does them, stuff like that. So if you're not that into the Chanel look and you want to be, you know, cool and trendy and whatever else, there are options. You know what, I'll put some options below for you, just to make your life easy. Guys, so yes, let me know if you have any questions about her. I'd be happy to answer them in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we do cute things over here and we would love to have you join our family. Just being really honest. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye guys.